Hey y'all, so I'm back with another quickie summer makeup tutorial. This one was inspired by this pink and purple gorgeous look I saw on Instagram. I start by laying down a cream base so that way the purples and pinks really pop. Just make sure to blend it out really well so that way it's easier to blend the shadow. I'm doing these dark inner and outer corner smokes using an Ofra shadow. All these shadows are from Ofra, by the way. And it's creating kind of like a halo eye. And in the middle, the shimmery kind of fuchsia is creating the light. So this is a matter of going back and forth, blending, applying, just to kind of get a really seamless look. I'm putting this bubblegum kind of hot pink in the crease. It's a blush actually by the Balm in Stain Blushes. Love the blush. I'll put that on my cheeks later too to kind of tie in the look. And now again I'm blending in that purple, smoking it out, reblending out that crease. That's how you get really blended eyeshadow. You just kind of have to take your time, apply, reapply, blend. And then I'm playing a little bit of shimmer in the center using this e.l.f. glitter. So now onto the brows. I could do it really quick because I mean you see me do my brows literally hundreds of times, and now that they're microbladed it's kind of easier. Next is a really dramatic wing. So I'm using Inglot gel liner and I'm doing a wing on the top. I'm also doing the waterline and I'm kind of creating a triangle on the inner corner to extend my eye and kind of give it more of an exotic kind of look. So you have to just take your time with this to create really neat liner shapes, and then I smoke at the bottom and set it with a little black shadow and a pencil brush. So now I'm doing foundation. I'm using NARS Sheer Glow. I've used this brush in the last couple of videos. Everybody wants to know what it is. It's just a double-ended brush from IT Cosmetics, and it's really convenient to use. So I put the foundation down first with the fluffy side, and it gives me a nice medium coverage. And then I'm doing this Juvia's Place highlight using the other end, which is kind of smaller. I love the fluffiness of this brush because I don't really like full coverage, and this kind of shears it out enough for me, and it blends it really easily. And then I switch back around to the fluffy larger end, and it helps me blend out the edges between the concealer and the foundation. So it's become a real staple in my makeup use lately. It makes my foundation concealer routine easy and quick. And then I go in with a more pencil concealer brush just to get right underneath that lower lash line. I'm applying a cream sculpting product to my nose just to kind of snatch it up a bit, and another darker cream sculpting product to my cheekbone. So I like to do a cooler, lighter color on my nose so it's a little bit more natural, and then I go a little bit more deep on my perimeter of my face to contour because I can handle a little bit more product there. Next, I'm going to start setting everything. This is Laura Mercier's Secret Under Eye Brightening Powder. I use this under my eyes to set that highlight as well as my nose contour. So if you have problems blending out nose contour, just set it with powder and it makes the lines completely disappear and it makes it a lot more natural looking. Then I'm setting the rest of the face with Too Faced powder, and this is actually tinted, so it kind of works on the rest of my face. Just a little bit. I'm a little dry, so I don't need a lot. And then I'm going in with MAC Blunt Blush, a classic, to contour, and I'm setting the cream contour. So everything goes down first in creams, and then it goes to powders. Then I'm using that Balm blush that I put on my crease onto my cheeks. I love how it's so bright and vibrant. Like, I love bright blush. It's just so refreshing. After that, I'm applying my lashes. These are from Lady Moss Beauty. And then I'm setting that lower lash line with that same fuchsia color I put in the center of my eye. And it really makes a gorgeous, like, bottom smoky purpley color when it's mixed with the black. Now I'm using Ofra Cosmetics Shimmer Highlighter on my cheekbone just to add some glow back to the look. I did use a lot of powder, so you need a little bit of fresh dewiness. And then I'm aligning my lips with NYX Toast Lip Pencil, just like a gray all over brown. And then I'm going with this really bright pink from Anastasia. It's a liquid lipstick. Again, to go with like the cheeks and the pink on the lips. I'm blending out that brown really well because I don't want it to be like an obvious line. I want it to be more of like an ombre. And then I'm going to blend it even more with a pink lip pencil from MAC, so that way it's like a gradient effect. I love me some lip liner. And then lastly, top it off with a really shimmery gloss. This is by Borghese Cosmetics, just to add to that summer glow. And this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you want to see more summer tutorials, quickie makeup looks, let me know.